Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing blockers, cancel subscriptions, and ensure no active Apple Cash transfers. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases, choose View Account. You need a valid billing address and payment method for the target country. Make sure you have it handy. This avoids errors when the App Store validates location. If you rely on family sharing, notify members now. Changes affect shared purchases and subscriptions, so plan the switch. Now perform the change. In Account Settings, pick Country/Region and tap Change Country or Region. This is the key action. Enter the new billing address and phone number, then add a payment method accepted in that country, credit cards, local debit, or Apple Balance where supported. Agree to the updated terms and conditions. Once confirmed, the App Store updates currency, taxes, and which apps or media are available. If an app disappears, make note some content is region locked. Finish by restarting your iPhone. This forces accounts sync and updates storefront content. If purchases or subscriptions don't appear, sign out of Media and Purchases, then sign back in. This refreshes entitlements. If a payment is rejected, double-check the address format, postal code, and that your bank allows cross-border charges. Sometimes you must add a local billing phone number. If problems persist, contact Apple support and show screenshots of errors and the payment attempt history so they can resolve region-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.